Today, we are going to see how we can tackle common molding defects in automotive parts. Myself, Vishwesh Singh Tawar, I'm the technical support engineer for India region. So let's begin. For this session, we'll be seeing the small concepts of the optics process, also followed with the optics features and benefits, the methods which can be used to manufacture the automotive parts, and also we will have two case studies. In the first one will be the panoramic sunroof frame, which you can see in this picture, and another one will be the brake lights, the third brake lights which we usually use in our cars. So we'll discuss how user was facing some issues with these products and how they overcome with the help of Moldex 3D. So we'll begin. As we can see in the why optics is needed in automotive industries. Basically, it helps user to predict flow, or we can say like a thermal induced birefringence, refractive index, and predict and achieve the products more optimizely. So for those things, basically, if you are using some lens or any of the optics products on the dashboards, so at that time it's very important to get proper and clean flow into your part. So for that, those things, Moldex 3D can help you to identify the birefringence inside your cavity and get a better product. So with the help of growth of plastic industries, more and more injection molded parts such as optical disc, uh, lens, waveguards, and like automotive parts are widely used in optical applications for their good optical performances. So optical applications, we can say, is like more challenging and is designed to transfer the image or the data. So the required precision, the required accuracy for these parts are quite high. So how we can achieve and how we can identify those things, we'll look into this further. So the optical polarization abilities, we can say like polymer molecular chains in anisotropic materials, which helps refractive index in different way to direct along the transverse to the molecular backbones. So if we are using like any optical products, the anisotropic determined by the material characterization. It also depends on the materials which you're using